Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson I want to teach you how to play a very simple song, chorus used typically in invitations. More of Jesus, less of me. In my description below you can download a link to Ultimate Guitar Tabs. I'll have a link of the lyrics and chords that I'll be using for this song. So let's get started. More of Jesus, less of me. More of His presence inside of me. More of His power, fill us this hour. More of Jesus, less of me. All right, very simple chord. I'm playing this in the chord of C major. If it needs to be raised up or if it's too low for you, just simply put a capo on whichever fret that you can bring this up to your pitch. But chords are C major, F, G major, E minor, and A minor, and then I'll be using a C7 transitioning to some of the chords there. So just a quick review on how to play these chords. To play C major, place finger number 1 on the second string of the first fret, then skip a string and place finger number 2 on the fourth string of the second fret, then stretch your third finger to the fifth string of the third fret. Play all strings but this top E string. Just kind of barely touch it with your thumb there, or don't strum it. And that's C major. Okay, and then we'll play F major. Use your first finger to bar the first 2 strings of the first fret, then place finger number 2 on string number 3 of the second fret, then stretch your third finger to string number 4 of the third fret, and then play the bottom 4 strings. F major. Okay, and then G major. Place finger number 1 on the 5th string of the second fret, finger number 2 on the very top E string on the 3rd fret, and then your little finger on string number 1 of the 3rd fret, and then strum all strings. That's G major. Okay, then E minor. You just want to place finger number 2 on the 5th string of the 2nd fret, and then place finger number 3 directly below that on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then strum all strings. E minor. Okay, and then to play A minor, just simply move these 2 fingers down 1 string, and then place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, and then strum all strings but the very top string. A minor. So to play E major, you just simply move all fingers up 1, lift up off your first finger, and that's E minor, and then go down 1, place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, and that's A minor. Okay, and then the other last chord will be just a C major that I taught you earlier, but you'll just simply put your finger, little finger, on string number 3 of the 3rd fret, and that makes C7. Okay, C7. There's C. Okay, if we look at the chord progression up above, very simple chorus to play through. So starts off with a chord of C. More of Jesus. Then go to G. You'll hit G, chord of G actually before you sing. Less of me. A minor. More of His presence inside of me. More of His power. Notice I hit the C7 to transition us into the F, okay? So it goes inside of me, in C7. More of His power, G. Fill us this hour, E minor, then A minor. More of Jesus, less of me. Then you can play that through as many times as you would like, but then typically I would use like a little tag at the end, and when you're ready to play that tag, go ahead and hit that C7 again to transition into the F. So I just simply repeat that last line again. More of His power, fill us this hour. More of Jesus, less of me. So it'd go like this. Kind of end with that C. More of His power, fill us this hour. More of Jesus, less of me. All right, very easy, worshipful, invitational song, and there's a lot of truth to the lyrics of this song. We do need more of Jesus. We need to make it more about Him and less about us, and life will be so much better. If you enjoyed this lesson or would like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button after this video. And if you're not a current subscriber, I'd like for you to join in and hit the subscribe button. It's free. There's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel onto your subscription so I can easily be found, and you'll also be notified when new videos have been uploaded. I typically try to load 1 to 2 per week. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. So thank you for viewing today. Have a great day. God bless you.